Hey you guys, so I got major inspiration from my drinking cup, which looks like a huge disco ball, and I wanted to create something funky and fun just like it. So what we're taking first is the Hank and Henry tie-dye palette. This is the collaboration with Bianca Linares. I'm taking the shade Mamas, and we're just going to start out the color scheme with this color. I'm just applying that kind of in a triangle shape in the inner portion of the eye. Next, we're going in with Pink Punch, and I'm just applying that right next to the purple. Going in with the shade Babe next, and just applying that right next to Pink Punch. I'm also applying this in a triangular shape as well. When I first initially started this look, I wanted it to be a lightning bolt shape on the eye, and it didn't really come out as planned, but it's still cool nonetheless. So now I'm going in with MVP, and I'm just placing that right next to Babe. And then we're going to go in with Lit and finish the eye off. So now I'm going in with a little bit of Romantic Beauty's ink eyeliner, and I'm just going to outline this whole entire shape to really make it pop. So now for the lower lash line area, I'm taking Ho, Kai, and Nip Slip, kind of mixing all those together and placing them on my lower lash line area. It's kind of making a pinky, peachy kind of vibe. So as you can see, I've brought that way far down, and I'm going to connect it with my blush. I'm using the Hank and Henry Blush and Palette. As you can see, my child dug his fingernails in this one, but I'm taking the reds from this palette, and we're gonna do kind of a heavy 80s club kid kind of blush. Now we're going to go in with our Blushberry magnetic eyeliner and lashes, and I'm just kind of creating a triangular liner as well, and then we're going to apply our magnetic lashes. Now I'm going in with Hank & Henry's Cascada Liquid Lipstick. I'm applying this into my waterline as well as putting this on my brows and my lips. And that is the final look, you guys. Something different, something fun, funky, and just colorful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.